today. My name is Jay Danberg with MarineMax Panama City Beach, and we are going to take a look at a great opportunity. This is a fresh trade-in 2019 NauticStar 2602 Legacy. This is the perfect family fishing boat. This boat has it all. It's ready to go. One owner boat, obviously being a 2019, but only 30 something hours. Very lightly used, only a handful of times. You've got the beautiful tan hull color matching underneath the hardtop, white powder coat. You have a 12-inch Simrad NSS Evo 3. This boat is powered with the Yamaha 150s, full cushion package, and you also get windlass anchor on this boat. So this is a do-everything great coastal boat. Great opportunity to save quite a bit of money from a brand new 2020. You don't see many 2019s used, so great opportunity. All right, so if you'd like to check out this 2019 NauticStar 2602 Legacy, please give me a call. You can reach me on my cell phone, area code 225-806-3403. Thank you.